Last year I added this bed to my garden, and this lavender plant here was the first plant that I planted. This is it here, was the first plant that I planted. It was in a pot, and I decided to put it in the ground, and it was doing good until this blue vervain right here started to grow. And then in front of that I had a bunch of amaranth growing, and the sun comes from that end, so this lavender got drowned out by the blue vervain and the amaranth, so it didn't get any sunlight and it died back some. But as you see, it's coming back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to dig this up and relocate it. There you have it. Now stay tuned, because in the warmer months, I will be doing a follow-up video on every plant that I use this product on. You'll get to see firsthand how healthy this plant becomes in about 2 weeks. Don't know what this is, so I'll find out. Looks like something good. Apply a little bit more at the base, just for good measures. This is a plant that I grew from seed. I threw a handful of seed in a pot, and I got this one plant to grow. I've had it for about 6 years or so in a pot. I just decided to put it in the ground last year. It was a nice, decent sized plant, but it died back due to lack of sunlight. So I'm going to let you see me bring this plant back to life using the products that you see in this video. Didn't mean to cut the green. The last step I may not film, but I'm just going to cover this with mulch. So I may not show it in this video, but I'm going to do that later in the day once I put a few more plants down. There you have it.